Well, good morning. Under the weather a little bit here. Whole family's sick. Haven't done much because I've been just really sick around the fever and stuff. But back working on the log loader. I didn't show it. I'm pretty doggone tired now to energy. But I put the starter in the log loader. I haven't tried it yet. Because I didn't want to start it, and if there's any oil, I didn't want to make a mess on the grapple. But so I was working on that, and it was my birthday yesterday. My wife bought me this awesome Milwaukee job site radio. I'm super excited because there's no radio in this. There's no radio in the skidder. And working on stuff, it's super nice to have a radio. So I can pack this around with me behind the seat of the skidder, or behind the seat of the log loader for now, and listen to some tunes. Pretty excited about that. And everything I'm going to is Milwaukee, so really excited. Really thankful for her for that gift. But right now I'm taking a flat file. It's better now, but right here, I don't know if you guys see that burr there. It's not really a burr, it's like a weld mark right there. I don't know, maybe it is a burr. Got jammed. But anyways, just smoothing this off here. Not really a sealing surface, but clean it all up, and then I'll put this new piston and rod in. Well, got the piston in, oiled it all up so it'd go in easy. New seals, and I don't know if you call them rings, on the piston. They were pretty tight to get in. I bought this 1/4 ton chain come along, pretty tiny, and I've kind of bent the hook from fighting with tracks and stuff, but that's the best money I've ever spent. I'm gonna buy a 1/2 ton one too, maybe later, like 2 1/2 tons. The 1/4 is a little light, but it's great for stuff like this. But I mean, you can't beat it, because I am weak. I was trying to tap with the hammer, my arms are tired, I just don't have enough energy, and so I thought I better rig up something, and I put a rag there to protect the chrome rod with the hook, and yeah, looks good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe all this off now a little bit, and clean it all up, and then I'll put the gland up against the barrel and bolt it down so that I'm not tweaking this either direction, and then tighten it up to where it lines up with the pin here. All right, well, this is the end of today. Went ahead and got the grapple. This is actually the wrong cylinder. The cylinder's on the other side, but all together, and got the starter in and fired it up. Starts on a dime, and yeah, it's all ready to go. So next cylinder though will be that heel rack cylinder. That thing's, I should have done it at the same time, but oh well. Yeah, got some other things to go do today. It's day before Easter, so gotta go get some Easter stuff with my wife for the kids. And but when we're back, we should be ready to log. So plenty of wood to process. Anyways, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.